Today, Sun promises to continue boost its LTE network and to have the best value offers for its subscribers.
Nalingaw ko nagpicture taking si Hugot King.
Dili na kumugugot sa taong kusog mo dagan kay kung digyud wana tayong pagsanday ay nalang ay nakuk atika.
Hi guys, Cykaniki here. Welcome back to this channel. So today I'm at the Sun LTE. Oh, ganon. Naging media ko guys. So yeah, we're going inside.
Wana tayong pagsanday ay nalang ay nakuk atika. Pero atikra ha ha atikra ha ha atikra ha ha atikra. Gugugot sa taong kusog mo dagan kay kung digyud wana tayong pagsanday ay nakuk atika. Dili na ko mag-assume, dili na ko magbada, dili na ko magpatunto, di mo nga paasa kay kung digyud wana tayong pagsanday ay nalang ay nakuk atika. Pero atikra atikra ha ha atikra ha ha atikra atikra.
Because Cebu has a very special place in the heart of Sun. And today, we'd like to renew and strengthen our commitment to be the digital provider of choice for Cebuanos. So to do this, we bring the best of what Sun has to offer.
Baby, this is what you came for. Lightning strikes every time she moves, and everybody's watching her.
Today, Sun promises to continue boost its LTE network and to have the best value offers for its subscribers. And to help Sun in committing a new level of digital lifestyle, let's all welcome our brand new digital ambassadors. So today we're going to be introducing our online digital ambassadors, influencers kumbaga. This is super uso now, so everybody want mga endorser, mga influencers na.
With our Sun ambassadors of
upgrade SIM of the LTE of Sun. Just go to the Sun shop, have it upgraded, and you will keep your number and you're already using an LTE SIM.
So with the 8,000 LTE sites that is being rolled out here in Cebu, we can, as a vlogger, we can do deliverables within time and anytime, anywhere.
Of Sun. So this is why it's so important for us because ito yung una nating minahal. Cebu is also known the Sun City of the Philippines. That's why hindi matatapos yung pagmamahal na yun ng Sun to all the Cebuanos.
Guys, continue to support us and support Sun LTE.
Thank you, Sun, because we all know that Sun is a homegrown brand and that we grew up with Sun. We all switched to Sun, mga itag Sun number. And then, karon, we see the brand growing before our very eyes. from merely a call and text network is now a data network. So happy kita ng tanan sa sulit and sakto offer sa Sun.
The talent, the homegrown talent from Cebu. We not only have Matteo, but later on this afternoon we're going to witness a lot of the bands that we have, the local bands that we have. One of the people, for example, that I got to know growing up was this lovely lady over here. Yeah, and these, oh my goodness, these people, and they've just rose to, I don't know, heights that I never even thought of. So thank you for recognizing the uniqueness in this very, very beautiful island and for loving its people. So, Para Nimo, Cebu.
Events, the presence of Sun, they'll stay here in Cebu. There'll be more events exclusively for Sun subscribers. So it's gonna be an exciting year ahead. So why not switch now and mag-data ta sa Sun LTE.
I'm saying it there.
It's gonna be bigger with Sun.
Yes, Sinulog's gonna be conquered by Sun. And tonight, of course, we have a very good music festival. And there's more and more exciting projects with Sun. So,
Buwak balik kung sa maniasan na napapatulong. Sa klaro tabela, usyunew, mapapagyong putagang. Ay kung mapane, hala, sige, para papaparang zakwara, binubinuwa. Listen up, I got a story to tell. Tulo, duha, usa, ya. Tuara, nagsugod na ang sugin, lalo nga tunggog pa. Kamuno sa mga pasiglat-siglat, hayalo pa kapintahin. Napay na ibaw niya, harana, naning kung magbisita, kaya baka chart ay kadong. May kayo mo pala may istorya, kabahin siyang guba ka na po ang karong. Buwak balik kung sa manayasan na napapadulong. Sa klaro tabela, usyunew, mapapagyong putagaw. Kung mapande, hala, sige, para kapaparang zakwara, balibidubiduwaw. Bon na to, padayon pa, manjo daw ng duhaning kalakiha. Ay na-stress sa confessor, reply sa text, hala, sige pa kung mapa mo. Sa enjoy, never nagamay, pagdalagay kong bahayay, holding insta, para sure. Sabot ang naman, ibuwi ay ang guides, worth a try, kung sana mataan ron. Buwak balik kung sa manayasan na napapadulong. Sa klaro tabela, usyunew, mapapagyong putagang. Kahit kung mapande, hala, sige, para papaparang zakwara, balibidubiduwaw. Oh, yeah, yeah. Hangay mabangay kung maun ka. Kung ingon ani, lagi hapong pangduha. Basing di ayong may paglaong pa. Puhon-puhon. Apan karon audience participation matest ni Dre. Buwak balik. Time sa kobe unsang bane. Come on! Buwak balik sa tapat tulong. Hoy, buwak balik. Klaro tabela husyune. Buwak balik na lang tanino. Buwak balik, asan na napapagulong. Klaro tabela husyune. Wapa magyota, motagam mo. Kumapane, hala, sige, para makaparang zakwara, balibidubiduwaw. Thank you.
In every event, Shibugan time na naman. So today, we're the media ay baliktad pala. Media tayo today, guys. So, Shibugan time. Kipiyaan ko ni Rose! Patay brand, ambassador, grabe, proud, series, yes,
Ambassador na si Ox.
Lagi, ambassador na si Ox. Pero kataya sa Sun. Oh.
Lami ang Sun LTE.
Lami ang sana.
Sulit na daw kanilang promo, guys.
Yes, ako, user ko from 2015 and grabe, sulit
Huwag ka na magsigig upload. Sakto na. Di ba? 20.
Ay, pupunta. Pinakabarang mo.
Bro, 1 week na.
Sobrang guwapa! Oh!
Bahala ka
late!
Manag late pa sa shopal. Guys, so muna ni siya ang akong food. Sige lang yung kaon guys. Ah!
Drinks natin.
Drinks natin. Say hi to the vlog. Hello.
Iced tea, Coke, and Sprite lang. May available natin.
Iced tea? Iced tea, ah.
Kayo po, ma'am. Hi!
Guys, ito na. Ito yung ticket. Meron akong ticket. Meron akong star ticket. We're going home. Not yet. Pupunta kami sa concert. Yan. Guys, tingnan nyo. Yeah. Thank you, son, for this. Guys, super nice here. Dami kayo mga stores. Yan, we're kung nasa, Hong Kong. Nice kayo. Super nice. Tingnan nyo, guys.
Hindi ka makita. Kaya ang...
Reflection.
Ay, laban.
Laban. Nice kayo, guys. Oh, sa mani. Wak pasabot. Kasi theme.
Dira kayo nice, cute.
Hong Kong. Unsa ni siya? Pwede Hong Kong, Cebu. Hong Kong is... Oh. Ganda. Ganda, guys. Ay, sobrang nice kayo, guys. Okay, okay. Oh. Sorry. Sorry, Kaya.
Oh, wait, so what's
Yeah. Yeah.